Recently, I made over $20,000 in profit using the Forex Gold Investor, a robot that costs $197 and trades fully automatically. It might sound easy. You buy a robot, set it up on a few accounts, and starts printing money. But the truth is, it wasn't easy at all. At the time of recording this video, I have around 200 live accounts, including funded accounts and prop firm challenges. I have 4 traders helping me manage the accounts, and we spent a lot of time testing different robots and platforms, and the final result has been amazing. Today I'm going to share 5 tips on how you can achieve similar results without putting in nearly as much effort. Number 1 thing after you find a winning strategy or a profitable expert advisor is to stay away from the greed, and how you can do that is by withdrawing profits. In my last video I showed you my trading.com account where, with the help of Forex Gold Investor, I reached the 20% target for stage 3, and at the end of the month they will scale it up for me. At stage 4 I'll be trading with $80,000, and I'm sure that this will happen because I stopped the trading in the account. Pretty much I didn't want to risk the profits that I have. It is $16,114 and 70% out of that is $11,279. Now if I leave the Forex Gold Investor trading until the end of the month, obviously it could make more money, but if it drops and it reaches 10% drawdown from the equity, I will lose the account, I will lose the profits, and the greed to make more money will just kill the account. That is why I disable the algo trading. I will wait for the end of the month, which is just 11 days, not a big deal. I will withdraw the profit of $11,279 and I'll start trading the new 80K account. So whenever I reach the 20% target in trading.com account, I just pause the trading, I wait until the end of the month, and I withdraw my profits. Also, with the previous video, which I recorded earlier today, I showed you this 3K account that now is nearly at 6K. I also showed you the $1,000 account that I doubled with the Forex Gold Investor. But after recording the video, I was like, what the does it matter if the account will double or not? What it means for me, for my income, what it means for you as my subscribers, what it means for the strategy, for the track record. Does it really matter if the account will double or not? It doesn't matter for me. So let's withdraw these profits. So here is the Eightcap portal where I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 13 accounts. And actually it becomes a problem for me because the brokers do not allow me to have more accounts due to the regulations, but I will request more for the 100K project. However, this is the account where I'm trading the Forex Gold Investor, and this is a new account that I opened ending on 478. So what I will do, I'll just transfer some money, or actually it will be exactly $1,000, or it will be a new account for my 100K project. And you can see that I cannot do it right now because probably, yes, there is an open trade. So as soon as the market on Monday opens, I will close the open trade. If it doesn't close on its own, I'll fund this new live account and I'll start trading there the Waka Waka Expert Advisor. But because it's just $1,000 and I have the Waka Waka trading successfully in 3K accounts right in here, it made already 25% profit. That's another Eightcap live account. You can actually see it in my Eightcap portal, this one over here. But in this 3K account, it is trading 3 currency pairs. It is trading Aussie CAD, Aussie New Zealand, and New Zealand CAD. You can see what a steady graph. But because I'll be trading it on $1,000, I'll trade only the Aussie New Zealand, and I performed a back test. It is right in here. I'll drag and drop it over my recording screen, and you will see that it has a very steady growth just for the Aussie New Zealand. Starting with 1,000, you can see that the account doubled at that point, and then it tripled, quadrupled, and for the last 5 years it made above $10,000 of profit. So I want to trade Waka Waka with Aussie New Zealand in this new account that I'll fund on Monday, and the rest of the profits from this account I'll put in another 2 accounts, each one 1,000. Obviously I will need to add a little bit of money from myself. Maybe when the market opens and there is a gap with the gold, I will double this account, I'll have enough. If not, I will add a little bit from myself. But again, I see it doesn't really matter if the account will double or not. The other expert advisor that I'll be trading in one of the new accounts is called Japan Strike EA, and I'm trading it on a demo since the beginning of April. It's been just 17 days, but I really like the results. Look at that, a very steady growth. It made already $60 in this 1K demo account. Oh, that is actually 14% estimated monthly return. And if I go back to the overview and I click on the orders, you will see that it's trading just with 0.01. And if I switch to the closed orders, you will see that it keeps trading with 0.01. It doesn't use aggressive grid martingale system to risk the account, so I want to have it in a new live account. And the third account I'll be opening is this one over here. You can see that it is called Aurum Pro. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this one has been trading for 22 days. It trades gold and it already made 2.7% as return. The estimated performance is 4.4. And again, if I click on the orders and I switch to closed orders, you will see that it's trading with 0.02 lots for the gold, and it has only profits, no losing trade until the moment. And now let me share with you tip number 2. Keep testing new EAs. As I explained, I will withdraw these profits, so I will have more money and more capital for the 100K project that I started. I really want to find the best expert advisors and the most suitable platforms for each. And you saw these 2 new expert advisors that we have on a demo. My team is working constantly to find new profitable EAs with verified track records, so we can test them and put them to the test of real trading. But that's my commitment, and I guess it's my work nowadays to look for better and better expert advisors to trade for myself and to share the most profitable ones with you. But when you withdraw money, don't put them back all into the trading. Just spend them. Buy something for your kids, wife, girlfriend, family. Go for a vacation. Enjoy the profits that you earned from trading. Because I've seen so many people, and I've worked for brokers in the past, they always want more and more, and all the profits they put again into trading, into their accounts, and at the end they end up without anything. It's either they will blow the account or they will put unrealistic target to become millionaires, to change their lives with trading. And that is possible, but it's very hard to achieve. And that is why I would suggest you draw profits and spend that money. Tip number 3 is diversify. Diversify as much as you can your portfolio of different accounts and different expert advisors. As you see, I have plenty of demo accounts, challenges, instant funding accounts, live accounts, and all of these accounts are visible to our VIP members, so they can track the performance of all of our accounts at any moment. I'll drop the link to the VIP club down below in the description. But when I don't put all of the money in one account with one expert advisor, I am not afraid that one account will blow, and many fail, right? But I don't care, because I have many more that are actually profitable. And you can see that on the website we transparently show the floating profit and loss, the closed profit, the gain. So some of their accounts are in a loss at the moment, but overall we have 10.2% in the last 30 days and 3,700 500 as a profit in the last 30 days. You can see as well with the funded accounts or with the instant funding, we have $52,000 as close profit or 4.27% and above 100K in total, but that includes the DAWINX accounts, which is virtual money. So it is actual profit in the MetaTrader accounts, but not profit that we can actually withdraw because of the conditions for the different platforms. However, because we diversify with so many different expert advisors and so many different platforms with funded and live accounts, I have peace of mind. Like, I really don't worry at night when I go to sleep if any of the accounts will blow. First, the protections of the expert advisors are on with the drawdown limitations. Second, all of those are on VPSs, so I'm not worried if electricity or internet will go down. And third, there are just so many accounts. Even if something happens with one of them, the rest will be fine. So I'm not worried at all. Tip number 4 is keep searching. Now, after the profits I made recently with the Forex Gold Investor, like 20,000, and it's a lot for me, guys, because just a few years ago, I couldn't make even $1,000 with expert advisors, and now I made like 20,000 from one single expert advisor. That's a lot of money for me. And if I put myself in the flow of the emotions, I would probably focus a lot more on this expert advisor. I would put much more money into each account, but that is wrong because I don't know if this expert advisor will continue being so profitable. And if one of the robots just stands out in your portfolio, like the Forex Gold Investor at the moment, I keep searching for more expert advisors. One of my traders, Maria from the team, is actively looking for new EAs, vendors, and systems that we can test. Daily, we are reviewing many new EAs and we test many in order to find a few that work. So even if you're alone in this and you have a great expert advisor, a great trading system, don't stop there. Keep searching. Keep looking for better performers. Keep watching my videos because we will find more and more profitable EAs. And tip number 5 is accept the risk. When trading, there is always a risk, guys. Take it, embrace it. Sooner or later, you will lose money. I've lost a lot of money, especially at the beginning. After I started with algo trading, I became a little bit more stable trader. And after I became an algo trader, I started making money from expert advisors, and I'm making money right now, but I'm also losing money. Many of these accounts fail and many will fail. I know that. I have accepted it. For me, this is a business cost. For me, this is the cost I pay to find the profitable expert advisors. So you will lose and you will win. But if you follow the 5 tips I gave you today, you will make more money.